on it straight away. I wanted to use it for about a few months, see all the features and how everything works, and then do a review on it. So basically, this is the main home screen right here, guys. So before we go into the software stuff, let's look at the hardware. Obviously, you got the mic is right there, so you can link up, you know, do hands-free calls via Bluetooth. You got the infrared remote control thing there. So anyway, that's the back key, that's the forward key, and this is your off button. So you can hold this down and you will go off. So if you're driving around and you don't want it on, you can just turn it off there. You know, good feature. Anyway, this is the volume key, guys, and it's also a multi-function button like this. So if you click on it, you got your brightness settings there, guys, so you can do all of that. And then if you click on it again, you got your contrast, guys, so that's so cool. And then you click on it again, you got saturation, blah de blah, and you can adjust your bass and treble there. And then you got your treble is all, like I said earlier, just that too. You got your balance, fader, and also you got equalizer. So you got classic, rock, pop, and if you turn it off, you will use your treble and bass features. Okay, so that's that button done. We got a micro SD card that goes in here, so micro SD card slot. You got auxiliary cable right there, guys. You got your reset button there, which you need to use a paper clip or a pen. And you got your USB here, guys. I got this USB off eBay. It's 32 gig, and look how big it is, guys. It's absolutely tiny. I had another one which really was sticking out and I didn't like it, so I ordered that one. Anyway, so that's done, guys, and you can see it looks amazing. I must make you aware, you do not get this surround with this stereo, guys. You only get the stereo. You do not even get the cage, so you have to do that, source that separately off eBay. And I found that Extron's face and Extron's cage fits this stereo. Others won't fit because I returned so many back to the eBay sellers because they did not fit this stereo. Anyway, let's go to the radio, guys. So this is your radio setting right here, guys. It does not display the radio channel, and it's only FM only, guys. It does not have AM, doesn't have AM at all. So the only down thing about this, it does not display the radio station name. But here are my preset stations, so you can just click on them there and they turn yellow and then they turn blue. So it's really cool. Also, you can just tap here, result, and it will go to different frequencies for you. And this is where you search for a station. You got your equalizer setting here. Just click on it and you'll just go to. Alright, guys, now let's go back to the home screen. Let's go into the music. So this is a music that's on your USB or your SD card, guys. There's no CD or DVD mechanism in this, guys. It's just USB and memory card. You play stuff off, and auxiliary, that's it. It does not have CD or DVD. I think them days are gone now. We don't need that. Yeah, so basically this is an awesome feature I like on this. You can just scroll down all my music. You can scroll up or down and you can just select whatever music you want to play, guys. So if I click on next too close,
right now.
So yeah, it plays. This feature is unbelievable. I mean, some of the big high-end stereos like Sony, Pioneer, they don't have this yet. I mean, you're paying silly money to have that, and this stereo's got it. It's just unbelievable. It's just so awesome, guys. Let's play some Darude Sandstorm. Oh man, I hope I don't get copyrighted for that. Anyway, so it's just so cool. I mean, I really love this stereo, guys. I paid £42 for it. It's probably about $38 in US. Anyway, you can also, you know, forward the track like that, guys, and you can also just press next there, and you'll play the next track. And the volume is so good. I mean, I don't want to play too much right now because basically copyright issues. So I mean, I just really love this stereo. It's just so cool, guys. I mean, I can just scroll up or down and pick the track I want rather than just keep, you know, going next. Okay, I think that's it for that one. Let's go to the movies. Okay, let's show you some of the movies I've got, guys. Reason why I asked you USB, because you can have SD memory, SD card is also selecting USB as source. So these are the movies I currently got on here, guys. On my USB, I got Terminator 2, Scarface, Straight Outta Compton, Rush Hour 3, RoboCop, next Friday. I will be having more movies on here. Sometimes when I'm waiting around for someone, I can just watch a movie or something. But, you know, it's not really I want to watch in my car. I can watch it on TV at home. But, you know, the feature's there and it's awesome. So, what movie should we play? Straight Outta Compton.
Like these fucking police, nigga. Get the fuck from around here trying to get me sent to jail. Show simple ass.
Turn it down, guys, because copyright and all that. So you can see, I mean, this is a bit of reflection of the stereo right now, but the screen quality is 720p, guys, and it's just so awesome. And when you're playing a movie, you got these options here, so you can actually forward, like just click there and you will just forward it to. That's it. You can forward it, go back on it. And then if you click again, it disappears and the bottom menu comes up. So there's so many functions here too. Let's play another movie. Let's play next Friday.
Hey, what do we do with these ones, dog?
Fuck it, give it to charity.
Fuck it, charity starts in la casa, que no, carnal.
Boy.
We can give it to the big money in that pump. What do you? Yeah.
Good boy. Come on.
So
Here you go. Good
it is
boy.
really good quality, guys, but it's got a bit of reflection of my phone.
Good balloons. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, let's go back to the home screen again. So here's your Bluetooth facility, guys. Obviously you can dial the number from here. You can get your contacts up, but it's not 100% accurate with your contacts. If you copy your contacts onto here, it kind of misses a few of them out. That is the one downside, but it's good for answering your phone call and, you know, talking hands-free while you're driving. So that's a good feature. I really like that. Auxiliaries here as well, guys. But obviously there's nothing connected right there right now. So we can go back to the home screen. Settings, quite a lot of settings here, guys. You got the backlight, so I just can see the keys there. You can change that to some other colors. There's a few other adjustments. There's nothing much there really. So let's go back to the home screen. You also got steering wheel control function, which you connect it up. My car does have a steering wheel control function, but I just haven't bothered to connect it because I can reach it from here anyway, so it's okay. But you have that feature there if you want to use it. And you also have a mirror link function. I have tried this. I can't show it to you in this video because I'm using my phone to record this video, so I don't have another phone to show you with. But it does work, and it's quite cool. I have tried it and it's really awesome. You got plug your USB phone cable in there and go through your settings on your phone, like allow other sources and debugging and stuff in the developer options, and then you can see all your stuff from your phone onto here, which is quite cool. But you know, I didn't buy a stereo for that really. I just bought a stereo because I wanted to play music off USB. So there you have it, guys. Hope you like this video. Give me a big thumbs up, guys, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I got some more videos coming. Just haven't had time to upload them yet, and I really recommend you buy this. It's called Double DIN Touchscreen 7018b, guys. This is a model that I have. There are a few other models like 7022b or 7012b, but they have a different software, guys. You won't get this kind of layout, and as you can see, it's just a beautiful stereo, and for what I paid, it's really cool. I prefer this over JVC, Sony, Pioneer, Kenwood. I really prefer this over all of them. The sound quality is brilliant, but I can't show you because of copyrights. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions, comment below in the description below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. And share this video on social media, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.